Hey guys, Eric Sargent at Ed Martin Toyota. I just wanted to show you the long range tank option for the 200 series Land Cruiser. So this is the 12.5 gallon, which you can add which you can keep your spare tire underneath the vehicle. As you can see, there's going to be two fill spouts, one for the main tank, one for the aux tank. You just fill up both sides, and then come around to the side here. And then once you're in the vehicle, you'll notice that we're on one of the OEM blanks. We're gonna install a little fuel gauge. It's gonna tell you how much fuel is in the aux tank. When you press the button, it's gonna run for 2 minutes. We do also offer an upgraded fuel pump and lines, hose clamps, and fittings. But the one that comes with it works perfectly fine. It's just a little bit slow, and it can be a little bit loud when you're running it dry. So the upgraded pump just makes it fill faster and quiet. You can do it while you're driving as well. And if you have any questions on the long range tank, please let me know. It does come in a 12.5 gallon. Comes in a 24 gallon and a 40 gallon. The 24 and the 40 gallon, you have to relocate your spare tire somewhere else. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. Thanks for watching.